These are 5 things that I stopped doing that made my skin healthier than it's ever been. And I'm gonna do a simple 3-ingredient DIY mask while we talk about it. I'm gonna take about a teaspoon of matcha powder, about 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, and about a tablespoon of raw honey. This is calming, barrier repairing, brightening. It's full of antioxidants, amazing for inflammation, perfect for stressed skin and redness. Okay, so 5 things that I stopped doing that has made my skin healthier than it's ever been. Number 1, I stopped washing my face in the morning. I used to cleanse my face twice a day without question, no matter what. And once I stopped and just started splashing my face with water in the morning, I really started to notice a difference in my skin. Overnight is when your skin produces protective lipids, antimicrobial peptides, repair signals. And when you strip away your skin first thing in the morning, you're starting the day with your skin already compromised. So just using water wakes up the skin, gives it a refresh without stripping it. You leave your skin barrier intact and your natural oils have a chance to really nourish your skin. Number 2, I stopped using traditional facial toners. Most toners are rooted in an astringent mindset, even a lot of the ones that are known to be gentle. So what I started using instead is hydrating mists. Hydrating mists are really going to support the water content in your skin and give your skin absorption for the other products that you're going to use without shocking your skin. Number 3, I stopped using exfoliating acids regularly. That constant exfoliation from using an acid or an exfoliant all the time basically trains the skin to rely on that stimulation. Not to mention, it could be very stripping to the skin. So what we really want to focus on here is regeneration. And once I pulled back from regularly using acids on my skin stopped being reactive and it just naturally smoothed out over time. And it gave my skin barrier an opportunity to strengthen on its own. Number 4, I stopped really focusing on active ingredients and instead prioritized barrier repair and calm skin. You don't want your skin to ever constantly be tingling, peeling, feeling tight. What you want instead is skin that is resilient, that has an even tone, that feels calm and feels nourished. Calm skin just functions better. Number 5, I stopped trying to overcorrect my skin all of the time and instead just started tuning in and listening to my body and just giving my skin whatever it needs in that moment. Constantly trying to intervene when your skin is trying to tell you something, is trying to communicate to you, will literally keep your skin in a stress loop. So instead, just start to notice when your skin is going through a cycle. Try to pay attention to it, see what your body is trying to communicate, what you need more of. Notice the cycles that your skin is in. And then just make gentle interventions that help support it. And your skin will most likely naturally start to re-regulate itself. Sometimes you might need a little bit more help. You might need to go see a skincare professional. You might need some additional treatment. But healthy skin wants to heal itself, and healing takes time. So I love this mask. This simple yogurt honey matcha mask. Honey is naturally antibacterial, antimicrobial. It's super hydrating. It helps calm breakouts. It supports healing and it helps to pull moisture into the skin without clogging the pores. The yogurt is going to bring that gentle enzyme activity. It softens, it brightens, and it really helps to support a healthy skin microbiome without stripping the skin. And then there's the matcha. The matcha is full of antioxidants, which are going to help reduce free radical damage. And it also helps calm redness and just supports overall skin resilience. It's also amazing for like puffiness and dullness because it helps to improve circulation without irritating the skin. This is so nourishing, and I'm not working on correcting anything. I'm just hydrating, soothing, supporting the skin barrier, exfoliating without anything harsh, and it works with your skin with simple ingredients.